Hello guys, today is Monday and I won't be showing you my laptop screen today because I don't have lights and my laptop is kind of like switched off now. And actually on this video I really want to just speak, but my heart is kind of like heavy and a lot of things is going on in life outside trading, and I'm really confused. I don't know what to do. And I just basically just want to say something. I'll be showing you the charts on my phone. Currently now we don't have a setup and stuff like that. The account I'm actually using to take this discipline challenge is actually a demo account, and I have never, since I started trading in 2022, I've never actually traded demo. Like, I was trading such a way that if I don't actually have capital to fund my account, I don't actually visit the charts. I don't trade them because I in my mind it's kind of like, if I'm not losing money or making money, I'm actually wasting my time. That's my mentality. But it's kind of like changed now. And right now I just feel like, even if there's capital or not, I should, have a plan and kind of like stick to the plan, So even if it's real money, demo money, every day I should follow my plan, What I will do in the days I have money, I do the same thing. In days I don't, So that's just the mentality now. And that's why you see in this video. Basically, I don't have proper account or personal phone to trade. I'm just actually doing these videos and these challenges in a flat demo account. So yeah, I want to actually say a lot of things, but I don't know when it will become kind of like you are saying too much, or you are revealing too much. Well, it's kind of like really hard and it's very, very difficult. And yeah. That's basically what I wanted to say, and let's go on to the chat and let's see if we have a setup. So I'm still in the London session, and as you can see, the time is 11:52 Nigerian time, and we still do not have anything on the charts. I'm still watching the market to see if we have an opportunity, and if we do have an opportunity, I'll keep you guys updated. Hello guys, we are currently on this setup, and there is a mistake. I'm actually using 0.03 lots, but I accidentally, I was not conscious about it, and I used a limit order of 0.01. So currently, if price comes back to this level, to the entry level, I'm going to add an extra 0.02 to the setup. But if price continues, I'm looking for a re-entry. Usually it is one trade per day setup, but that one trade per day means a losing trade or winning trade, so not a break-even trade. So I'm actually looking at what price is going to do. If price give me a second entry, I'm going to take a second entry. If price creates a second entry, it simply means this first entry is now a break-even trade. So I'm going to break even this particular trade and enter with a full 0.03 lot. Hello, are you a disciplined trader? And the only thing holding you right now from achieving the dreams and the life you want is actually a good prop firm? Permit me to introduce Naira Trader Prop Firm, a Naira-based prop firm. They have accounts ranging from 500k to 20 million. It is really, really, really cheap, and you can get yours right now. What you also need to know about Naira Trader is that they have a 3-step challenge in all their accounts, and one of the most beautiful thing about them is that they have a huge range of 30% drawdown at the funded stage. And believe me when I tell you, they have almost zero to no payout denial. I think they are the most honest prop firm that actually wants traders to win. And if you really want a good prop firm, I suggest that you get a Naira Trader prop firm. Use the link in my bio right now and get one for yourself. Okay, I'm breaking even now. Now I'm looking for a re-entry. So the market took us out at break even. So yeah, let's see if price still wants to use that level, but right now I'm not re-entering at that same level. I'm looking out for a second entry if price really want to, sell from this level. I'm looking for re-entry. As you can see, price just retested the level again, and now it's going in my direction, but that's not a problem. Now there is no, whoa, I was not expecting that push, but hey, this could literally be a missed trade. So I'm actually, price could probably come for a second entry or not, but this is how it is right now. This could just be a missed setup because the way that candle is pushing lower. All is my role, is my role, is my role, is my role, and it's my plan. So there's nothing to be kind of like too angry about. So right now I'm looking at price to, retrace back to this level, and we'll have a second entry if price really wants to do that. Let's see. Man, this is a break-even trade. It's so annoying. Damn. So price already hits our target if we actually measured it from our actual entry level, which is here, and it was 1,500 pips. And as you can see, price has taken us on the 1,500 pips. So it's actually a missed one, and this would have been our first good trade on the account. So right now we are going to look for the next one. I'll keep you guys updated. Hello, we are back again, dudes, and this is the New York session. Remember, we had a missed trade during London session, and currently we have a setup on the New York session. So yeah, let's see how this trade goes. People actually complain losing streaks, but right now what I'm experiencing is missing streaks. Bro, I'm experiencing 2 missing streaks in a row. Damn, man. Damn. Bro, this is not fun at all. This is not fun. It is almost the actual target, 150 pips. 1,500 pips. So right now it seems it wants to respect the first second entry on the first setup. That is the second entry on the first setup, but I don't think it is valid. I'm not going to take it because price has already, sold enough, because the second entry is kind of like a continuation what price does before reaching the drawn liquidity for the day or for that particular setup. So I don't believe that this entire bearish move is not the target that this setup was trying to achieve. I might be wrong, but I'm not taking that second trade on the first setup. So let's just see how this particular setup works. Let's just see how it moves. You guys actually seeing what I'm seeing, right? It is actually now selling from the second entry of the first level, the first setup I took on during London session. You see what is happening? And that was a perfect snipe entry. Bro, this market can just make you go gagus. Well, anyway, this is trading. This is discipline. This is perfection, even if you're not making money from it. This is perfection, bro. This is good. We are almost 1:3 from the first setup. Well, it's all good. It's all good. I'm still looking. Now, this is it. Sometimes you ignore a level because you think that level will not react from price, and your eyes is on a particular level that you believe price will react from. And most of the time, price actually reacts from the level you ignored, and disconfigure, totally destroy, destabilize, disconnect, and destroy the level you actually chose to trade from. And you know what? I think that's exactly what's gonna happen today. Guys, this is one hell of a trade, guys. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine what this market is doing currently? Like, I'm lost of words, bro. Just as I predicted, it did not work out. And you see how price respected the level I was saying might not work out, and that's exactly the level that did work out. And this is just trading. The most important thing is that we stay disciplined and we focus on our plan. It's really, really annoying, but hey, let's just keep going. Discipline over outcome. And please, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and let's grow the community together. See you on the next one.